Hello, beloved, once again, wherever you find yourself. My name is Reverend Samuel Uziantechi. I am the leader and the founder of the Heaven's Praise Ministry International. And I want to share with you a message, a popular message from Romans chapter number 8, the verse number 18. Paul said the other day, "For I consider that the suffering of today cannot be compared unto the glory that God shall reveal unto me in the days ahead." The suffering, the pains, the difficult moments that I'm passing through, that I am enduring today, can never be what equated, can never be what compared unto the glory that God shall reveal unto me. Amania me nemui, atetia me nemui, or how me nemui, osua me nemui, ebrebi ba wonya me besha me wonyam, na bidim sa en wonyam sene wonya me beba no. I mean to be fun to bravi brim. I have come to admonish you by the message of God that you need a spirit of endurance. You need to endure for a little longer. You need what? The spirit of a camel, the strength of a camel, the endurance of a camel to endure even in pain. You have to hold on for a while. The Bible says those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount wings like an eagle, and they shall soar high. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord shall deliver him from all. Upon Mount Zion, we know that there shall be deliverance. David said, "I will lift up my eyes unto the hills." So, I know some of you are watching me right now. Some is trusting God for a miracle of a job. Somebody is trusting God for the miracle of a baby.